present. I really acknowledge that you're not just present tonight, but you've been present for the whole 3 years your students have been at Hoover. And because of that participation, because of that presence, your children have succeeded. They are thriving, and we are very confident that
to show undivided attention to the students that are rocking it every day. Students whose families are supporting.
Student, and I can attest to this. I see Enzo every day in the hallway. He's a great leader for his classmates. Nice, Enzo. And then finally for the ELA Awards, we have Zachary Marshall. Shout out to an incredible 8th grader for showing real personal growth this year. Your effort, resilience, and willingness to learn from their challenges have not gone unnoticed. Keep pushing forward. You're building something great. Go, Zach.
Grow throughout the year. He consistently approaches class with excellent participation, a positive attitude, and a strong commitment to doing his best. Give it up once again for Enzo.
All right, back again to do algebra development. For algebra development, we have Natalie Cohn, nominated by Miss U. Natalie is a dedicated scholar who brings both tireless work ethic and a sharp, inquisitive mind to Algebra 1 development. Her commitment to mastering her skills and her bravery in asking the tough questions sets a standard for academic excellence.
Mac, Iosia, Harmony, Potts, Isabella, Chihuahua, Jonah, Ibarra, Andrew, Tran, Naomi King Johnson, Ava Ferris, Callie Carp, Frank Carrillo, Phoebe Quinto, Jaden Joseph, Nyla King, Cassandra Mojaro Garcia, Mario Rubalcaba, Talia Wilson. Before the principal honor roll students come up, one more applause, 3.5 to 3.99.
Okay, I think we're at the second to the last award. Yeah, English teacher is at penultimate. That's my favorite word. That means second to the last.
Hand him. Sumaneak. Hand him.
Look. And you
Get your ribbon.
yeah, like this. Yeah.
Yeah.